Hey guys, back with me. Eska. Today we want to make particular like this. You can see the particular, right? I don't know the name of a particular like this, so I'll name it. Random use particular. Cool, right? I know. Let's start. She's so beautiful. You can start with make new composition and black solid layer. Here I don't use trapcode particular, but I use trapcode form. Now, follow my step. We done. Now we can add glow effect. Here I use deep glow. Very easy, you can adjust the speed of movement in the fractal field. Here, and you can get the end result like this. Not bad. For smartphone editors, I've made it in the overlay version. Check the comment for the link. And that's all for today. Bye bye.